Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are diving into the warm and inviting world of wooden candle holders. These handcrafted beauties aren't just functional, they're decorative pieces that add a touch of rustic charm, sophistication, or even a whimsical flair to your space. Whether you are a fan of minimalist design or prefer ornately carved masterpieces, there is a wooden candle holder out there waiting to steal the show in your home. So, settle in, grab a cozy blanket if you're feeling the ambiance, and let's explore the wonderful world of wooden candle holders. The allure of wood. Wood is a timeless material that brings a sense of nature indoors. It has a warmth and richness that plastic or metal just can't replicate. The natural grain patterns in the wood make each candle holder unique, a one-of-a-kind piece that tells a story. Wooden candle holders can also be quite versatile. Depending on the type of wood used, the stain or paint applied, and any embellishments added, they can fit seamlessly into various design aesthetics. From farmhouse chic to modern minimalist, there is a wooden candle holder to complement your style. Types of wooden candle holders. Now let's dive into the different types of wooden candle holders you might encounter. Here are some of the most popular options. Classic pillar holders. These are the workhorses of wooden candle holder world. They are typically designed to hold pillar candles, those thick, self-standing candles. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from simple blocks to ornately carved pedestals. Tea light holders. Tea lights are those small, round candles encased in metal or glass containers. Wooden tea light holders can be individual pieces or grouped together to create a stunning centerpiece. They often have a more casual feel and are perfect for creating a warm, intimate ambiance. Motif holders. Motif candles are similar to tea lights, but enclosed in clear glass. Wooden motif holders showcase the beauty of flickering flame while adding a touch of elegance. Wall sconces. If you're looking to save space or add vertical interest to your decor, wooden wall sconces are a great option. They come in various designs, from simple shelves to elaborate carved structures that hold the candle. Lanterns. Wooden lanterns add a touch of rustic charm, and they are perfect for patios, porches, or even as dramatic indoor centerpieces. They can be designed to hold pillar candles, tea lights, or even multiple candles for a truly enchanting glow. Choosing the right wooden candle holder. With many choices available, selecting the perfect wooden candle holder can feel overwhelming. Here are some factors to consider. Size. Think about where you'll be placing the candle holder. Will it sit on a side table, a mantelpiece, or a shelf? Make sure it's the right size for designated place. Style. Consider your overall decor style. Do you prefer clean lines and a minimalist look, or are you drawn to more ornate and traditional pieces? Choose a candle holder that complements your existing furniture and art. Candle type. Decide what type of candle you want to use. Pill holders are great for larger candles that burn for extended periods. Tea light and vertical holders are perfect for creating a more intimate atmosphere. Wood type and finish. Different wood types offer unique aesthetics. Light-colored woods like maple or birch create a bright and airy feel, while darker woods like mahogany or walnut add a touch of sophistication. The finish, whether natural, stained, or painted, can also significantly impact the overall look. Benefits of a wooden candle holder. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, wood candle holders offer several benefits. Ambiance. The warm glow of candlelight combined with natural beauty of wood creates a truly relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Safety. Wood is a natural flame-resistant material, making it a safer option compared to some other candle holders. Durability. When cared for properly, wooden candle holders can last for years, even decades. They become cherished pieces that can be passed down through generations. Uniqueness. Due to the natural variations in the wood and any potential handcrafted elements, each wooden candle holder is unique, adding a touch of personality to your space. Here are some ideas to inspire your DIY wooden candle holder creations. Repurposed wood blocks. Find interesting pieces of driftwood, branches, or even old logs. With some sanding and drilling, you can transform them into unique candle holders. Mason jar and wood slice combination. Combine the rustic charm of wood with the elegance of glass. Secure a wood slice to the top of a mason jar and drill a hole in the center for a tea light or water can. Wooden bead garland candle holder. String wooden beads intertwined or wire, creating a loose loop design. Wrap the loop around a pillar candle or glass vase to create a whimsical candle holder. While wood is naturally flame resistant, it is still important to prioritize safety when using wooden candle holders. Here are some key tips. Place on a stable surface. Always place your candle holder on a stable, heat-resistant surface away from flammable materials like curtains, books, or bedding. Never leave a burning candle unattended. Extinguish candles before leaving the room or going to sleep. Keep away from drafts. Drafts can cause the candle to flicker and drip, posing a fire hazard. Trim the wick regularly. Regularly trim the wick of your candle to 1/4 inch, 6 mm before each lighting. This prevents soot buildup and excessive flickering. Extinguish carefully. Extinguish candles by snuffing them out with a candle snuffer or pinching the wick with a fireproof tool. Avoid blowing them up, as this can spread sparks. Wooden candle holders are more than just functional items. They are beautiful additions to your home that create a warm and inviting ambiance. With so many styles, types, and DIY possibilities, there is a perfect wooden candle holder waiting to add a touch of magic to your space. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of wooden candle holders. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more cozy home decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!